What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add or remove user accounts on macOS Ventura. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your Mac, click on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and select System Settings. In case your settings look a bit different, then make sure that you're running the latest macOS version. Navigate to the Users and Groups section. Here, you can preview your current and all other created users on your Mac. Click on Add Account to create a new user after entering your admin password. You can then select to create a standard account or a second admin account. When setting this to sharing only, then the user will have limited access on your Mac. You will be able to specify which files and folders the sharing only account has access to. Next, enter the user and account name. After entering and verifying a password for the user account, enter a hint and select Create User. After a second or two, the new user will show up in this list. Click on the eye icon next to the username. This allows you to reset the password, change additional user settings depending on the account type, or remove the user from your Mac here. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.